rod and reel waiting, sunrise on the tide, cypress knees and gators where the catfish hide. I'm tattooed and fishing in South Louisiana, salt on my lips, Zydeco on the bandstand. Crawfish boiling, cold beer in my hand, living inked up freedom on this bayou land.
Big Aaron, and welcome to Hooked and Inked Outdoors. I've kind of been missing 7 weeks now because I've been at work. I've been offshore. That's what I do. I'm a boat captain, so just pulled a 7-week long hitch and finally get to come home in the morning. Kind of excited about it. Well, I don't know what we're doing in this video, but we're gonna do it. It's nice out here, yeah, it is. It's nice. Y'all wanna see more about what I do? Hey, y'all let me know in them comments. We could talk about it. But I'll enjoy this sunset on my last day out here, and we'll get back to regular programming come this week. Well, starting in this video, because I'm gonna just throw this in the first video I make. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get it. Good morning. Well, I've been home a week now and haven't done anything because, well, boat's in the shop. Got some welding getting done to it. Getting the trawl motor bracket added on because I got my trawl motor. Went with Minn Kota Tarova, 24 volt, 54-inch shaft, 80-pound thrust. Just waiting to get that back to put that on. Got my quick release bracket. Got a new amp. My power cords. Got an onboard charger for my batteries. Just a couple little things. A little power handle for my steering wheel. Yeah, got a few things. Been working on my jug lines. Getting those redone. Adding some new ones to it because, well, you know, they disappear. So, but it's a little later than what I wanted to get up today. It's 8:18. It's a little foggy out here, but it's nice. So I think we're gonna pull this girl out and might go play around a little bit. Y'all ignore my shed. Floor is riding. I just had it put here. It was free, so I'm gonna change the floor out, fix a few things. Gotta have time for that. So yeah, let me get everything ready, get the truck backed up, load up the kayak, canoe, whatever you want to call it, and we're gonna try to catch some fish. If we don't catch nothing, a bad day fishing is better than a good day at work. Come on. Let me just brag for a second on Wilson's Country Corner for their boudin egg rolls. Man, I swear you cannot beat it. Breakfast of champs. But we're on our way. Got the canoe loaded up. You can barely see it back there. But let's go. Well, made it. Do have one thing that I messed up on though. All my GoPro mounts are in my boat. So that's what I'm stuck with. That right there. But we'll go play around. We got a little whopper plopper on this one. And on that one we got a mini crankbait. Just go give it a few casts and see if anything's biting. I've never been here before. Not far from my house. But it's a nice day. Calm. Oh, we'll go see what we got. First little thing. I don't know what y'all call that, a little perch, whatever, but I'm gonna call that bait, some catfish bait. That's what I'm gonna call that one. But hey, first fish in the boat. I think the only thing really messing with my line are these little perch and garfish, of course. Can't stop that. I think we're gonna swap this little green, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna want a little bit smaller, a little micro. It's kind of golden red. I don't need to catch bass or sac-a-lait, whatever. In reality, I'm good with, you know, some little bluegill, perch, red ear, whatever you want to call them. And whatever. But see, today is just kind of enjoying it. Hopefully they give me a call and say, hey, your boat's ready. That would be great. And we'd go pick that thing up and start installing that trawl motor and everything else I got ready for it. That thing's light. But we'll turn right here. That nice little cypress tree. Say just the little garfish and little perch comes out and plays. So we'll try a different color, a little smaller. See if anything comes. Gotta get used to casting that little thing. Keep it going. Oh. Big bird come out the grass. He's got an apple snail in his mouth. See if I can get him before he takes off. Then let's try something else. I might try a little spinner bait. Head to the side. Hey, y'all give me some ideas on some lures to use. They say all this is still new to me. I'm trying to learn. green chartreuse, whatever you call it. That's kind of what I go with. I say the waters, I mean, the clarity ain't bad. Let me see. No, the water's pretty clear. I mean, something like this should really stand out right now. Oh, if I can get it. It's the only problem. Garfish, man. Hate catching them little garfish with this. Oh, first backlash. Gotta get used to the heavier weight. There we go. Every time. But I mean, that's pretty quick too, I guess. Ain't that big of a deal. Let's try that out. Gas is way better. Something's hooked up. Hook got caught on my line. There we go. Let's see what we're working with here. It's a good cast. Oh. Hey, fish on already. Look at that. First real cast. What we got? Oh, dude. That's definitely a keeper right there. Look at this dude here. Oh, man. I'm about to get my pliers out. Not on this one, but have it ready. Yeah, these little treble hooks ain't nothing to play with. Man, what y'all call that? I think that'll be a bluegill, huh? Hey, in the bucket, dude. We're gonna keep that one. Old Wade Fisher say, forehead. Let's try that again. That just might be the ticket right there. Little trouble and got hooked up. Show a little knot there. Fix that little knot up and we're gonna get it going. There we go. This is the kind of stuff I can't stand. Alright. I understand everybody gets their line caught. Everybody pops their line. It happens. You're gonna lose line, you're gonna lose hooks, whatever. But to lose this much line because you got it in a tree. Now tree isn't in shallow water whatsoever. You had to have a boat to get it right here. So you couldn't take 2 minutes to get yourself under here to be able to catch this. Now I don't have the balance to stand up, so. Okay, I see it. Oh, it ain't even on this one. Worm. There's no way I'm gonna get to that. No way. Alright, it popped. But you couldn't take 2 minutes to get all this line out of this cyber stream. 2 minutes. I don't get it, dude. I don't get it. But we'll take this back home and throw this in the trash. Now y'all pick up y'all stuff. That's all it takes for a bird to fly into this, or I mean just anything. Just pick y'all shit up. That wasn't hard. You literally saw I cast my line, I caught it, and that's when I turned the camera on just to pull all this up. But we'll go throw that in the trash when we get home. Fishing, bringing my truck in. Let's go talk to him. See what kind of advice he can give us. Or, I don't even know if y'all watching or not. Y'all give a shit. The train about to pass. About to get loud. Damn. Having any luck or what? Having any luck? 2 garfish. What you fishing for? Shoe pig? What you using as bait? Some shrimp? I don't go freshwater, so I'm still trying to figure this out. What you do? Just throw it on the bottom?
Got one top and one bottom.
Oh, so you got 2 hooks on it?
But I caught the garfish on the top. Came out here 2 days ago. Caught a 6-foot on the bottom, nothing on top.
Come on.
Water tank, was black and clear.
Yeah. So I ain't catch that. I caught 2 little perch, that was it. Huh? I'm from Dulac, but I live on Bull Run now.
I like the salt water too, but I don't know salt water without my boat.
Yeah, that's mine too. And I was like, well, I want to get out today. It's a nice day, so I took this. But so no, I'm about to go try it that way, go play around. I saw you and I was like, well, let me go see what he's fishing with, you know, because I don't. All right, I appreciate it. Good luck to you. Yeah, kinda. All right. Appreciate it. He fishing for shoe pig, and he's using some shrimp. And he just told me
I want some sakale to cast underneath this bridge right here. So we'll try it out. I don't like I said, man, I don't really know what to fish with for none of this. But we'll give this a little try. Gotta try something out. Alright, y'all, it's now 11:37. I think I took off at 8 something. I got 2 little perch, that's it. But I'm on the Highway 90 bridge right now. This is the eastbound, that's the westbound. So, I don't know if y'all can really see it. The massive alligator tracks all the way to this side. Look how huge this dude was. Look at this. God. And if anybody knows me, I'm 6'6", 310 pounds, and my hands are massive. So this dude is massive. Look at this. Look at that print. Jeez. You can tell that's where he went in at. But look at the width of them. One here, and then his tail going down the middle. So somewhere in here, they got a monster. Jeez. Alright. I think that's gonna be it. Fished for a few more hours since the last time I put the camera on. It's 1:20. Haven't caught anything else. Learned a few things. Learned what not to do. And talked to a couple of old heads. And I think on the next one we might try for some shoe bait. I think that's the plan. But right now we're gonna head to the truck and load up my one little perch or whatever it's gonna be. Whatever it is, it's gonna be a sandwich, I'll tell you that. Cause I'm hungry. It's hot. So I'm gonna get home. I'm gonna fillet that little thing up, and that's gonna go on the bread. And yeah, might just fry it. Something quick and easy. Get up to this bridge right here. There's so many baby garfish. So many. I was trying to catch one of them. Not to eat, but it'd be kind of cool having a little baby garfish in my fish tank. Just couldn't get one. They chased my lure. Just didn't wanna bite it. But let's see when we get to the truck and get on home. I know my legs are about to be burnt. Threw that on. Try to help a little bit. The old guy that was fishing by my truck, he's gone. So I guess ain't nothing was happening with him. But I guess this just turned into a catch and cook because your boy hungry. It's alright. See y'all in the kitchen. Alright, and we back. Got the bowl, Canoe, whatever, picked up, cleaned out. Everything's good. Now that had this big catch I got today, we're gonna slap that. That's what we got. Got one. I'm by myself, so that's enough for a sandwich, and show you how I make it. Since YouTube don't like me showing this. Be back in a few. Alright, got my fish marinated. My wife came home, so I took some fish out and defrosted all. A little red. But just did a little mustard marinade. Put a little crab ball in there just to try it. And some Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna batter it up with some fish fry. Throw it in some grease. I'm gonna go from there. That's my little perch here and here that I caught today. Try that out. That's good. Get that crab ball kick in it. Oh, that's good. It's my first time trying it. And that's a wrap. Got some fried fish. Put that on my bread. Oh, I need some pickles. Some French fries on there.
That's a meal. That's good. Now I'm gonna sit down, enjoy my food. Is it good? Yeah, I'm gonna edit this video. Thank y'all for watching. If you watched, to the next one.
Got ink on my arms, gators in the bayou, beer on ice, and I'm doing what I gotta do. Reeling them in where the water runs deep. South Louisiana don't let no secrets keep. Tattoos and trot lines, crawfish on the fire, hot Cajun nights set my soul on fire. Crank up the Zydeco, let the good times roll.